Hi, in front of me is UMIDIGI S3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate sound recorder on this device. Firstly, open menu, find sound recorder and click on it. Now click on the red button, tap allow. And as you can see, my recording is now on. If you want to pause it, click on the same button. If you want to unpause it, click it again, and in order to save it, tap on the square one. Now select save and tap on the same button to get into recordings list. As you can see, my recording was successfully made and saved. If you want to delete it, hold it, click at the bin icon and tap OK. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!